Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Dr. Crypto Ian. I hope everybody's doing well and recovering from last week's dump and yesterday's absolutely horrendous dump. A lot of altcoins absolutely plummeted. Bitcoin absolutely plummeted to $89,000. But crazy enough, over this past 24 hours, it's sitting at, for making this video, just shy of $97,000. We have hit, in just a few minutes ago, making this video, $97,100. Look, I think good things are going to happen on 2025. I really do. We're having this pullback. We may get a bit more of a pullback the rest of the week. But I think 2025 is going to be a super bullish year for the crypto market. And I think it's going to be super bullish for Crypto.com's CRO coin as well. Crypto.com and Cronos chain are going to explode. And Crypto.com is just doing that now. They are exploding. Spot volume is absolutely rocketing up. So I'm watching Crypto.com and the Cronos chain very, very closely. But going back at the moment, weekly, we're down about, some coins are down 39%, 24%, some coins are down 10%. But on the daily, it's looking a lot more greener at the moment. We see it's starting to see a little bit of a recovery. On the hourly, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Again, it's a little bit of a recovery because we had such a big push down yesterday. So it scared a lot of people in the market. But one coin that I had accumulated yesterday when there was a lot of fear in the market was CRO coin. I have accumulated CRO coin. I accumulated when there was fear in the bear market on the FTX collapses. I bought a lot of CRO when there was fear. And yesterday, there was a lot of fear going around altcoins and crypto market. So I bought, in my convictions, I bought CRO. I bought a bit of ADA as well. Even bought a little bit of XRP. I really did. Because I think this bull market in 2025 is going to be absolutely massive. And I'll get into that in just a while. But Crypto.com, I just can't not speak highly enough of it. When you look at this picture and you see these pullbacks, you just look at that. That picture, in my opinion, is 1,000 words. That gives you what this crypto market's going to do in 2025. We've got a president on the 25th of January who is pro-crypto, pro-Bitcoin, who is surrounded by pro-crypto people. His team is pro-crypto. We're going to get an SEC, hopefully, who is going to be pro-crypto. So you can't, how can you not be bullish on this? How can you be scared on these pullbacks? I get a lot of people on my DMs from making my videos who call me. I don't have a clue what I'm talking about. I've got 20 years experience in the stock markets. I've got 5 years in the crypto. People say I don't know what I'm talking about. I've made my money in the stock markets. I made lots of money in the stock market. I'm not like bragging or anything like that. But when people say you don't know what you're talking about, it does frustrate you a little bit. But what I want to talk about also is those people out there who supported me right from that beginning of when I was making my videos, who are still with me now. And all the people who keep on giving me a subscribe, giving me a like, you know, it's always appreciated. It really, really is appreciated. And this, what you guys out there actually, what sparks me to keep on doing these videos, because I don't get paid really for any of these videos. I don't get sponsored or anything like that. I get a little bit of money from, you know, from the TV ads that will come on it, sort of thing. But that's all I get. But I want to say a big thank you out there for all you supporters who support me through the good and bad times as well. But again, super bullish on Crypto.com. You know, I really am. You just, when you look at these price drops, you just got to zoom out and look at what they're doing fundamentally. Look at that. You got the Cronos ETS coming out. Web app going through America. It's got stocks now in America. Sports betting in America. We've got Bitcoin rewards coming with Crypto.com soon. And we've got so much expansion happening in terms of the exchange and everything else going on as well. So a lot of things are going on the Crypto.com ecosystem, which makes me super bullish. We've also got those level ups. I've got the Icy White card. It gives me so many perks. Go food shopping, go buying a holiday, car, whatever. I get CRO back. I'm always DCAing into CRO dips or we're pumping, whatever. I'm always DCAing in. For me, nothing I say needs financial advice. But if you haven't got a card, it's worth just getting invested in one. To be honest with you, it's crazy not to. Even if it's a Ruby Steel, you get 2%. Jade Green, for $5,000, you get 3.5%. And you get whatever other perks with it as well. And you only have to go down here to tell you what perks you get. And it's absolutely worth it. Download the app as well. because at the app you can go and buy stocks as well in the United States of America. I'm just super bullish on crypto.com. I keep on shouting about them, and I'll do it in every video because I am super bullish. And yes, the Cronos price hasn't really done much at the moment, but I've got a funny feeling it will. We've got quarterly burns coming soon, which will be based on price and block size. That will come. So you've got burns, you've got the fundamentals generally, and if we've got a bullish president coming in 2025, I really do think CRO coin will make a move. It will make a move, and it will make a move when people are least expecting it. Now, I get it with a lot of people. They get frustrated when we just kept on hitting 20 pence and then kept to get rejected. And now we've just come all the way back down to around that 13 kind of pence mark. We went slightly under that. You can see that width there. And then we pushed straight back up. We've got this falling wedge right now. The falling wedge is down to the downside. But I think a move is coming soon. I really do feel like we're getting closer to the end of the falling wedge. Now, it's all about probabilities. We've got data coming out of the America today and tomorrow regarding inflation. And we've got the inauguration happening on the 20th of January. And then we've got the FOMC meeting towards the end of the month. So we've got a lot of data coming out, a lot of information, a lot of volatility. There's a chance that we could come back down. We could come back down to that 11 pence mark and I'll buy again because there'll be a lot more fear in the market. But I'm hoping it doesn't. I'm hoping I bought down here that we start making a move to the upside. So it's all data dependent. It's all going off what happens with the stock markets and happens on the January the 20th. But short-term fluctuations don't bother me. It's the medium to long term that I watch out for. And right now, I'm in an accumulation area. Now, it is, like I said, it's frustrating, isn't it? When you see a lot of some of these other altcoins have made some big moves to the upside. Like BitGet token made some big moves because they've got their burns. They went up about 400%. And CRO's still down here. For me, CRO has got a lot of room to the upside. And I think that move will be made. And a lot of people will disagree with me. They'll say to me, you're talking rubbish. Don't have a clue what you're on about. They've got 20 years in the stock market. It's got 5 years in crypto. People were saying the same thing to me when I was buying ADA. You don't know what you're talking about. And then ADA went from, when I bought it at 7 cents, went all the way up to about, $3, just over $3. And people went all silent then. Never heard of them again. So I'm preparing. I DCA'd in the FTX collapse in the bear market. I bought a load of CRO. I was always buying CRO because of the IC White card, and I was putting money into it as well. So I hold a significant bag in CRO. So I really am hoping for it to start to rocket to the upside. So I really do think that could be the case. Because like I said, we go through everything what CRO is doing. I'm super bullish. Right now, what I would like to see is, with CRO, is to get above that 20 EMA and get above that 50 EMA. That's what I want us to see. I want to see the money inflow coming back in. Now, don't forget, we've got a lot of fear in the market as well. So, but bear that in mind, super bullish on crypto.com and the CRO token as well. But what I am watching out for is today, we've got the inflation data coming out on Tuesday, core PPI and PPI month on month. Where core PPI was 0.2, and then also PPI month on month was 0.4. So we don't want to go above these, we want to keep below these. Then also on Wednesday, we've got core CPI data month on month as well, and year on year. So obviously I'm watching the data points on that as well. And also at the moment, watching out on this as well, because at the moment, 97.3 think we're going to get like potentially a 25 basis point. We might get a cut, we might get a pause or whatever. I think it's more likely we're going to get a pause, in my opinion. But all you have to do is look at what's happening in the crypto market. We've got Bitcoin. We've got here in the election times, Donald Trump was saying Bitcoin and crypto will skyrocket like never before, even before our expectations. 6 days until the first ever pro-crypto administration takes office. And then we also got here, US President-elect Trump is expected to issue a crypto executive order on the first day of the presidency. Will this include a Bitcoin reserve? And that's what a lot of people in the crypto community are waiting for. And also, just in, Donald Trump is expected to issue an executive order on the first day of his presidency regarding crypto, the Washington Post. Sachs and members of Trump transition team have been working closely with the crypto leaders to finalise legislation strategy, and Trump is expected to issue an executive order on the first day of presidency that may address issues including debanking and a repeal on controversial crypto accounting policy requirements, banking holding and digital assets, and count them as liabilities on the bank-owned balance sheet, according to the person involved with the conversation. Now, this is what I mean. If you're not bullish now, I really don't know what to say. Crypto.com, Cronos, Bitcoin, the crypto market, in my opinion, is super bullish. We've got Bitcoin here, which is now sitting at 96,650. We're in this falling wedge here. We maintain that falling wedge. We dropped down to 89,000, pumped straight all the way up to, we did go up to a couple of minutes ago to $97,000, now sitting at around about 96,723. I'm watching the EMA here. We're getting above that 20 EMA. I want us to see us get above that 50 EMA with continuation to the upside. The oscillator has got the first green dot. We're starting to see money flow incoming. So obviously a lot of volatility in the stock markets will be coming today and tomorrow, and then obviously on January the 20th as well. So it's going to be very important times ahead. So hopefully the bulls are stepping in, and everything hopefully is going to be bullish over this next couple of days. So it's worth watching the US data that's coming out for inflation. But Bitcoin at the moment, the bulls are holding strong at that $89,000 to $90,000. We can see here, absolutely holding strong here. But I want us to see us get above that $98,000 as well. $108,000. I want us to see us get above that with continuation to the upside. And it's only going to take Donald Trump to say one word, and you all know what that word is. So give us a like and give us a subscribe. Your support is always much appreciated, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.